How do you mortgage a house? That's the topic for today's video, so let's dive right in. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time a new video drops, which I drop at least one a week. And also be sure to hit that like button as well. I'd really appreciate it. My name is Stephanie and I've been a loan officer for over 18 years, and I'm passionate about helping you with your mortgage financing. If you're in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida, my team would love to help you. If you're in other states, there are lots of amazing loan officers to choose from. How do you mortgage a house? Well, the first thing that a lot of people don't realize is if we're talking about a refinance, you have to own the house. So you need to be on title or maybe have a land contract or even a bond for deed, which are also acceptable things where you might not actually be on the title. If you're talking about a home purchase, of course, you don't have to be on the title because you're going to be purchasing it, and that's when that transfer will take place. Now, how do you do it? How do you get it? How do you mortgage a house? You're going to start with a loan application. Typically, that's an online application where it asks you a lot of questions like, what do you think the house is worth, or how much do you want to spend on the house? How much do you want your loan amount to be? What's your name, full legal name, birthday, social, address for 2 years, and your job history for 2 years, your income, how it's broken down, how many assets you have in the bank, checking, savings, stocks, bonds, CDs, 401k, IRA, those kind of things. And then you'll have a consult with her, kind of go through those things with you. We can make sure that they're right and complete from how we look at things and how we can calculate things. And from there, whether you're doing a purchase or refinance, you want to have that consult because it's so important. Now on the purchase side, from there, what they'll do is they'll ask you for a bunch of documents that you'll need to produce. Please make sure it's every page of the tax return, every bank statement, every W-2 if you have more than one, and get them everything ideally at one time and nice and organized so they can give you quick and accurate answers. When it comes to those paycheck stubs, make sure it's make sure it's consecutive. Don't give them one from a few months back. That way they can look at everything and analyze it for you. When it comes to the refinance part, they're the same thing. They're going to ask for documents so that you can go ahead and produce those. Now, once the documents are produced, that's when on the refinance side, you're going to move to things like ordering title, the lender does that, ordering appraisal, the lender does that, and move toward underwriting, which is also something the side. Once those docs are received, they'll send a pre-approval letter for you to go shopping. Your pre-approval letter before you shop for a home, before you pick your realtor, because you want to make sure you're shopping in the right price range and in the right area, because insurances can differ, which can change what you might approve for. Now, once you've got the house under contract, then you'll go into underwriting just like on the refinance. What is underwriting? Well, underwriting is going to make sure that you do qualify for the program that's been submitted. They're going to make sure that the income is validated, verifiable, and that it's likely to continue. They're going to make sure that that house appraises acceptably. They're going to make sure that the condition of the home is acceptable. They're going to make sure that there's clear title that can be passed to you on a purchase and or clear title to be able to do a refinance on a refinance, and all those types of things. So underwriting a lot of times will ask for more information. They may contact your employer to verify certain things like that. So it's definitely can be a detailed process when it comes to underwriting. Now on both fronts, once you've been underwriting final approved, as they call it, then you can move toward your purchase of your home and how you mortgage a home. Or when you get through that final approval process, you can continue and close on your refinance and mortgage the home that way. I hope you found today's video to be interesting and entertaining and a lot of good information. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one.